Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe is a crispy and tasty snack. Let's see how to make these rose cookies. This is also called as Achappam in Kerala. You need all these ingredients for this recipe. Now take a bigger bowl, add in rice flour, all-purpose flour, salt and some sugar. Now mix all these dry ingredients. Now add in 2 eggs, preferably room temperature. Now mix that in. Now into that add in coconut milk little by little. Mix it and make this into a thick batter. To check the batter consistency, take a spoon and dip it in the batter. And if the batter coats at the back of the spoon, that means our batter is ready. Now add in some washed black sesame seeds and mix it. This is the rose cookie mold you need for this recipe. This is available online. I'll share the link in the description box. Before using the mold, you need to dip this in hot oil for 5 minutes. Now take it out and dip it in the batter. But be careful, don't dip it completely. Just dip 3/4 portion of the mold. Take it out from the batter and place it directly into hot oil. After 2-3 seconds, shake it slightly so that the cookie will get separated from the mold. And once it turns golden brown shade on both the sides, our cookies are ready. The mold which I'm using is a non-stick one, so it was a bit easy for me to work with. And when you place the mold in hot oil with the batter, be careful not to touch the bottom of the pan, or else the batter will stick to the bottom and you may lose the shape of the cookies. Now before you make each cookies, you need to dip the mold in hot oil for some time. These golden color cookies are really sweet and crispy. You can always adjust the sweetness according to your choice. Once you make all these cookies, you can store this in an airtight container and it will last more than 2 months. I could make more than 50 crispy cookies from this given measurement. So definitely try out these cookies and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.